Ngayon naman, magluluto ako ng adobong chicken liver. So, yan ang ulam namin ngayong gabi. I will try and see if I can cook it. Okay, we have 2 trays of chicken livers in there that been seasoned. Or yes, it's been seasoned and put away in the refrigerator last night. So it's been seasoned with pepper, pinch of sugar, about 6 cloves of crushed garlic, and I have 3 bay leaves in there. So that's been seasoned and mixed. And now I turn on the stove and I am starting to cook them. I mix 1/2 cup of vinegar, and I use the Filipino vinegar that I have in there, but you can use any kind of vinegar you can buy from the store. And 3 tablespoonfuls of China lily soy sauce. I was told China lily is good for cooking, so I'm gonna pour that in the pan like that. But because it is vinegar, we're not supposed to mix it. Let it boil. It is now boiling. So I turn down the heat to simmer. Don't stir it yet. Don't mix it, because we wait until the vinegar is cooked. We'll let it boil for a few minutes. I will cover it, but don't put the lid all the way. Let it be open a little bit so the steam can come out and it won't boil over. Let it simmer for half an hour without stirring it or mixing it. And now, after half an hour, you can mix slowly. Mix. Make sure that it doesn't stick at the bottom. So you can mix it after half an hour cooking. Okay, and then cover again, simmering in a low heat for another half an hour. Until the liquid evaporates a little bit. Actually, it didn't take half an hour. I think it only took about 20 minutes to simmer it again, and it becomes like this. So this is ready to eat. So it is cooked. It's done, and the water evaporates a little bit. So it's good. We're going to eat now. So that is chicken liver adobo, Filipino style.